Hello guys, in this tutorial we will talk about Pepe 2.0, what advantages have this coin and so more, so stay tuned. So Pepe 2.0 is a meme coin inspired by the Pepe the Frog meme, drawing its name and theme from the successful launch of Pepe coin in April. Unlike the original PEPcoin, Pepe 2.0 was created by individuals previously excluded from the original project for unclear reasons. It was introduced on June 27, about 3 months after PEPcoin's debut. Investors participating in Pepe 2.0 encountered a 1% transaction tax utilized by developers for marketing, liquidity, and community growth. The aim is to ensure the project's sustainability while striving to attain a $1 billion market cap. With the meme coin market valued at a staggering 50.5 billion and bolstered by PEPcoin's reputation, Pepe 2.0 gained significant momentum and it swiftly attracted traders and investors who identified its potential for explosive growth, drawing up its price upon launch and consequently attracting more attention and participants. The future trajectory of Pepe 2.0 remains uncertain. While it displays increasing trading volume and a rising price, there is a mix of perspectives among investors. Some foresee the potential for further gains and are buying in, while others are cautious, considering the possibility of value declines. In the volatile world of meme coins, outcomes are unpredictable, with instances of rapid fluctuation and unforeseen losses. As Pepe 2.0 continues to see growing trading activity and an ascending price, there remains an opportunity for interested investors, although those entering now carry the risk of potential losses if the coin's value drops. So that's it, the tutorial, guys. Hope that you understand me, and we will see in the next videos.